Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, a couple clarifications. Number one, I'm trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below in the description area to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using and which one, do I recommend? That is up there at the top of the screen, or I'll put it down in the description area below. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to get involved at very, very little risk to your capital. Very, very small amounts of capital are required. No pattern day trading rule, so you can day trade as much as you want. And there's a lot of interesting aspects to it. So if you're interested, like I said, check out that link. But right now, looking for a trade. We're getting some good action, and I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, have an order down here at the green line. Not sure if there's any chance it gets down there. That does seem far away, but I'm thinking price action might pick up another pace here and potentially get a bounce off that area. But maybe that's just crazy to think that it could get down there. But I don't think it's totally crazy, but we'll get our answers here relatively soon, I think. So that's the current game plan right now. That green line does represent an order out there. Okay, let's see. I could also try along here if it wants to head back up. Bit of a bounce. If that green line turns blue, I am in. I'm in. Let's see if we can get some follow through to the upside now. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just like that. 1590. So it did not quite come down to where I wanted, but there's always other ways that you can approach a situation. So very good right there. I'm now going to switch over to MNQ. So this is same chart, just a little bit more of a risk-controlled way to control or to trade it. So this is one of these situations where if I take a winning trade, I'll be upset that I chose to trade these types of contracts known as micros. Now, if I'm wrong, I'll be very happy though, because the loss will not add up as quickly. So yes, gains do not add up as quickly trading this contract. But again, from a risk management standpoint, which is what ultimately matters, the losses actually don't add up as quickly. So I don't even know. Do I still need to keep trading after something like that? I'll keep an eye on the market, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe I won't make any more trades. That was pretty spicy. All right, I have no idea what I was talking about last. I realized for you there was no delay, but I think it was 20 minutes ago. But yes, I have not made any more trades, and I'm going to head and just call it good. I ultimately just determined that, yeah, that was a nice trade. It was a nice spicy trade, and it worked out very, very nicely. So there's no need to press the issue. I'm happy with those gains, and I'm going to go ahead and just call it good. Before I do go, though, I want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you're a beginner trader, maybe you're struggling, my confidence level very, very high that this class can help you out. If you are a battle-hardened veteran with a rock-solid strategy, you are welcome to attend, but my confidence level is much lower that you'll get anything from it. Maybe you will, but like I said, in the categories of beginner trader or struggling trader, very confident that this will give you some things to consider and think about in your trading journey. So go to the claytrader.com/live or just check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So thanks for hanging out. Hit that like button, and I'll see you back in the next one.